Alright guys, you ready to go out and see some Volkswagen Beetles today? And some microbuses, and even some Volkswagen trucks. Come on, get in the car, let's go. Alright guys, you see this lake right here on the right? It's called Logan Martin Lake. It's about 30 miles east of Birmingham. It's a 17,000 acre lake. It was built back in 1965. They put in the Logan Martin Lake Dam. It's got about 275 miles or so of shoreline. And even though the main channel is 35 feet deep on average, the average depth of the lake is only 5 feet overall. So it's relatively shallow in a lot of places. It's got a lot of switchbacks between it and Neely Henry Dam, because this lake is basically pinned between those two dams. But it's got some super great fishing. It's probably one of the busiest lakes around just because of its proximity to Birmingham. I mean, sometimes on the weekends it's so many people out there you would not believe. I mean, boats and jet skis absolutely everywhere. Well, I was just thinking you guys might be interested in that. So anyway, I won't bore you with that anymore. I might need to stop and get me something to eat. Sometimes I have a tendency to stay at these car shows and then not eat, and by the time I leave, I'm starving. So anyway, let's get to the show.
You sold it and bought it back. I see where you bought it back.
It's a real original looking car right here now. $1964. $1958. So they let down on all three sides, huh? That's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time. Bye. Now, let's head out.
Come on, and move it on. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. I said, babe. I said, babe. Oh, honey, come and groove along. You gotta feel it, yeah. You gotta move along. You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel. You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel. You gotta feel it on the roadway. You gotta move along. Baby, gotta move along. I said, baby, you gotta move along. I said, honey, take it real slow. I said, honey, just take it real slow, slow, slow. Whoa, you gotta groove on. You gotta groove on.
I think it's time for a glass of Merlot. See you guys.